Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see the number of comments on your Instagram carousel posts using the Instagram app on your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Instagram has made it even easier to check engagement on your posts, right from your desktop. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to find out exactly how many comments your carousel has received. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo right there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page, where all your posts are displayed. Now, scroll through your feed and locate the carousel post you're interested in. Carousels are those posts with multiple images or videos that you can swipe through. Once you've found the one you want to check, don't click on it just yet. Instead, simply move your mouse pointer over the post and hover for a moment. With this new update, as you hover over your carousel, you'll notice a small overlay appears. This overlay displays two key numbers, one for likes and one for comments. The comment count is usually represented by a speech bubble icon, and the number next to it tells you exactly how many comments that carousel post has received. No more clicking into each post or navigating through menus. Just a quick hover and you've got the information you need. This feature is perfect for creators, businesses, or anyone curious about their audience's engagement. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks and a simple hover, you can keep track of your comment counts on any carousel post, all from the comfort of your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for mastering Instagram's latest features. Thanks for watching and happy posting.